Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 1 asked you to find the slope of the line passing through the points 2, 1 and 5, 10. So first of all, let's talk a little bit about slope. Slope is a ratio, and that ratio compares the vertical change to the horizontal change. So if I had a line, the slope would compare the vertical change to the horizontal change. It compares the y change to the x change, and it gives you an actual value. If I have 2 points, I can calculate that algebraically. I could say slope, which they use the letter m, is equal to the change in y, which would be the second y coordinate minus the first y coordinate. So that's the change in y, compared to the change in x, which would be the second x coordinate minus the first x coordinate. Now it doesn't matter which point you call the first point or the second point. I usually use the first point as it's given to me in the problem and the second point as it's given to me in the problem. So I'm going to substitute and use the order of operations. My second y coordinate is 10, so I would have 10 minus my first y coordinate is 1. That would be over, because it's a ratio I'm going to compare it to. The second x coordinate is 5 minus the first x coordinate is 2. So once you have your substitution, all you have to do is subtract on the top, subtract on the bottom, and divide if needed. Just follow the order of operations. So this slope would be equal to 10 minus 1 is 9, and 5 minus 2 is 3, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. So the slope of the line would be 3.